Hello, welcome to Akahi Update. My name is Joseph Iyaji. Today, I want us to fly and touch down in the prestigious University of Lagos, Nigeria, in the center of excellence. Let's see how excellent their post-UTME questions in EGA will look like. Let's try to solve this together. My name remains Joseph Iyaji. Okay, question one from University of Lagos post-UTME is: the conference turned out to be an enlightening dash experience. This question requires our understanding of the appropriate usage of adjective. Here, the space before this is suitable for adjective, and this adjective will pre-modify the noun experience. So, note that an adjective cannot be pluralized by the addition of s inflectional bound morphemes, and an adjective cannot be in possessive form as we have here or there. So, with that hint, what is your answer? You agree with me that it cannot be this, because this is a diacritic compound and it has s. It's not supposed to be a plural pre-modifying, but an adjective. So it's not a noun that will pre-modify this noun. So the correct answer is option B. So the statement we read: the conference turned out to be an enlightening 5-day experience. Question 2. The poor dash our attention and kindness. The poor dash our attention. Okay, now, what type of question is this? This question is from Concord, English Concord. Now, this type of Concord is called nominalization Concord. How do I call it? Nominalization Concord. Okay, how do we know? We know that it is nominalization because this is an adjective. Poor in isolation is an adjective. By introducing the definite article before this adjective, it has changed it from an adjective to a noun. That means you have nominalized it. Okay, now the rule of that nominalization concord states that whenever that adjective term now is acting in the capacity of the subject, the verb that will follow or occupy this space will be a plural verb. Okay, now by plural verb we mean a verb that does not end with s. Any verb that ends with s is a singular verb. By that, we can ellipsize this as incorrect option. This is also singular, is not correct. This one is plural but not consistent. This one is plural but not consistent. Do deserves. So this one is totally out of it. We are left with one option. So me, I don't know. Are you going for this? Yes, this is our correct answer. Question 3. Ojo has an aversion to swimming. Before I try to attempt this, I want to remind you that this tutorial is sponsored by Akahi Tutors. Where is Akahi Tutors? Akahi Tutors is located at number 67 Oduduwa College Road off Sabo Junction in the heart of Ile-ife, the cradle of the Yoruba race. Thank you. Question 3. Ojo has an aversion to swimming. So we are looking for the appropriate collocation here. In other words, this an aversion plus this will give us an idiomatic expression, an expression whose meaning cannot be deduced by the individual words that comprise them. Now, from the list of prepositions given, which one should act as a prepend to this noun, aversion? Here, okay, we have to, for, in, with. Ojo has an aversion to. Aversion to is a strong dislike or distaste for something. So Ojo has a strong dislike for swimming, so he does not like swimming. So to is the appropriate preposition that we marry this noun aversion. The last question on this list, please, I want to remind you, this tutorial is sponsored by Akahi Tutors. And Akahi Tutors provide decent hostel accommodation for students who are coming from Lagos, coming from Akure, coming from Abuja, Port Harcourt. We have a very decent accommodation for you. Should you are interested in preparing yourself intensively towards this year's post-UTME, pre-degree, School of Nursing, and JUPEP entrance exam. Should you are interested, Akahi Tutors number is on the board. 080386444. That's 44328. Thank you. Question 4. Please let me let you solve this now. I want to hear from you in the comment section the answer to this question. He does not absent himself from lectures. He does this, they, didn't they, do they. What is your answer? Please look at it very closely and tell me your answer in the comment section. My name is Joseph Iyaji. Have a great day. Thank you.